Select your data. Click and drag to highlight the data range you want to include in your chart. Insert chart. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Here you will see different types of charts like column, line, pie and more. Choose your chart type. Click on the chart type that best represents your data. For example, select column chart for simple comparisons. Customize your chart. Once the chart appears, you can customize it. Click on the chart to activate the chart design and format tabs. Here you can change colors, styles, and even the chart type. Add chart elements. Use Add Chart Element in the Chart Design tab to add titles, labels, and legends. Resize and move your chart. Click and drag the edges of your chart to resize it. You can also click and drag the entire chart to move it within your worksheet. You can also copy the chart to other documents or presentations. And that's it!